Java Burn Reviews, How to use Java Burn. Java Burn is a brand new weight reduction supplement that aids in weight loss and drastically alters metabolism. 8 powerful, all-natural components make up Java Burn, which provides long-lasting and secure effects. The purpose of the Java Burn components is to get rid of everything that interferes with digestion. You can increase your metabolic rate and start utilizing extra fat for energy generation during your therapy by taking Java Burn every day. How to use Java Burn. Java Burn will speed up fat burning and enhance metabolism throughout the day. For instant and effective results, add Java Burn to your coffee at morning and drink it right away, advises the official website. Because Java Burn is available in powder form, it is even simpler to administer the entire course of therapy. Additionally, because Java Burn is made entirely of natural substances, it has no negative side effects whatsoever. Does Java Burn actually work? In order to help weight loss, the Java Burn recipe was created in powder form and designed to be blended with coffee. The maker of Java Burn claims that it will enable you to lose a large amount of weight without even the need for diets, consistent exercise, or any form of effort. You can get a potent nutrient bomb that will be able to absurdly enhance your metabolism throughout the day and subsequently assist burn fat throughout your entire body by just mixing 1 packet of Java Burn nutrition into your coffee each morning. Review of Java Burn Coffee. Java Burn Coffee. The Java Burn weight reduction pill can be used by anyone who wants to lose weight in a method that is completely healthy, natural, and safe because it was manufactured with all natural ingredients and has 0 negative effects. Regulating bodies and numerous weight loss professionals that designed the Java Burn product developed and approved the Java Burn Coffee review. As a result, there is no need to be concerned about any side effects because Java Burn Coffee actually works. All you need is to be extremely motivated to follow the Java Burn diet and have faith in the weight reduction process. Those who use the whole course of the Java Burn formula can gain a number of advantages, including Java Burn enhances the speed and effectiveness of the metabolism, burns fat from deeper and more resistant places, and controls appetite without affecting diet. Additionally, as I mentioned in the video, be extremely cautious when choosing the website from which you want to get Java Burn Coffee review. To assist you, I have placed the link to the official website in both the description box of the video and the comments section below. Keep in mind that to get great results in your weight loss process with Java Burn review, you need to take the treatment seriously in accordance with how it is manufactured and that there is no guarantee that anyone will find a solution to the problem of how to lose weight fast. As stated in this Java Burn Coffee review, each body will react in a different and unique way, so you can really get amazing results in just a few weeks, but you probably won't get results as quickly as someone else. Because of this, Java Burn Coffee is the only dietary product that will help you lose weight and make the process much simpler. I wish this Java Burn review satisfied your questions and that you enjoyed